Okay, so good evening everyone. I am Ashmita Das, Primary Physics Scholar from IIT Guwahati. Today I am going to present a problem solving session on sterilization under the course BT44 Medical Biomaterials. Is my slides are visible?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Thank you. So here comes the first question. 15 mm diameter SS where the young modulus is 200 GPa rod is coated with HA. What is should be the coating thickness in millimeter so that the young modulus of the composite will be 209 GPa. Use the mixture rule. So I request to solve this question, then we'll go for the solution. Anyone can help me to solve this question? How it is solved? Any idea? Hello? Anyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Using a formula E1 V1 plus E2 V2 equal to E1 A1 plus E2 A2. Using this formula, first of find the area of the SS rod, ma'am.
Sorry, can you just repeat the formula
Is it
again?
correct, ma'am?
Can you please repeat the formula again?
E1 V1 plus E2 V2 equal to E1 A1 plus E2 A2. Is it correct, ma'am?
Uh, Kind of right, but there are only three components, right? So what should be the fourth one? E1 V1 plus E2 V2 equals to EC VC. We are going. So okay, I'll start solving the formula. Okay. So we are going to use the formula YCVC equals to Y1 V1 plus Y2 V2. So basically the Young modulus of the component into the volume of the component plus a second component Young modulus plus volume equals to the Young component of the Young modulus of the composite and into the volume of the composite. So now here in this case, as it's just a coating, suppose okay, suppose this is just a rod. Okay, suppose this is a rod and we are given coating out top of it. So what happened? The length will be equal in all the cases. For the coating as well as the rod, the length will be equal. And if we go for the composite, the length will be equal in all the cases. So if we go by the formula, then what is the formula for a tube or a cylinder? What is the formula of the volume?
Pi R square H, ma'am.
Yes, so the formula is just a minute. Yeah. So the formula is pi r square h. So if we just put the entire formula here and suppose we consider the cross sectional area of this of the rod is 15, which is given, right? So if we go to the circle, so this is the diameter, right? Then we also go for the coating of this material. So this portion we considered as x. The coating thickness we considered as x. So this pi r square formula, if we suppose to go by in the diameter formula, what is supposed to come? It's supposed to come as V equals to pi d square sorry, pi d square by 4 into h, right? This portion is clear to all, right? How the r square formula pi r square is converted in the form of diameter, right? Is this thing is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for there, if we consider this entire term pi by 4 into h, this term we considered as a constant. So everything is varied along with d square, right? It varies along with d square, right? Because this is a constant term. So for that, we come to this formula where I put, okay. So this one is 2110 composite material. Okay. This is a slight mistake. The composite Young modulus of the composite is supposed to be 210. It's not 209, it's 210 GPa. Please cross check the, please change the number. It comes as 210 GPa. So here everything is 210. So it is 210 into 15 plus x square is equal to 200. So 210 is coming as a composite, the Young modulus of the composite. So 15 plus x, because we consider the diameter of the entire thing. So here it is 15, the rod, and x, we took both sides, the thickness will be x. So we considered 15 plus x as a whole. So it's supposed to become 15 plus x whole square equals to 200 into 15 whole square. So 200 is the Young modulus of the rod. So 200 into 15 whole square plus 300 into x square. So x is considered diameter of the material. So that's why it's come as 300 into x. So now after solving this equation, we go through for solving the equation in the format of quadratic equation. We'll get in the end one quadratic equation, and solving the quadratic equation we found it x equals to 0.35 mm. Okay, so now moving to the next question. 15 mm diameter SS Young modulus rod is coating with HA. If the densities are 7.9 and 4.0 gram per cc, what is the average density? Anyone able to solve this question? Anyone able to solve this question? Okay. So the formula of average density is come as delta 1 into delta 2 divided by delta 1 x1 plus delta 2 x2. This is the formula of the average density of the two material. So as per the formula, delta 1, the density of the material 1 is 7.9. So we put 7.9. Delta 2 is 4. So it's come as 4. So this x1 is the thickness of the material. So x1 is coming as 15, as uh, density of the 7.9 material is 15, and for 4 it is comes as 0.35 from the calculation. So after solving this equation we got 0.264 gram per cc. Now moving to the next question. So, what when 1 billion implants were tested for sterility, 1100 implants were contaminated. Does it satisfy the sterility assurance level?
Ma'am, can you please go to the previous question, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You can proceed now. I had not
Okay.
seen.
Okay. So the sterility when 1 billion implants were tested for sterility, 1100 implants were contaminated. Does it mean uh, does it satisfy the sterility assurance level?
No, ma'am.
So the correct answer is no. Now moving to the next question. The percentage of microorganism remaining versus exposure time to autoclave sterilization process follows percentage equals to 7 minus T into 2. The percentage of microorganism remaining versus exposure time to dry heat sterilization process follows percentage equals to 80 minus T into 5. At what time both the methods are equally efficient? Okay, so as per the question, the requirement for both the sterilized process should be equally efficient. So if the process is equally efficient, so the percentage of the sterilization in both the cases will be same. So from that condition, we found 70 minus 2t, which is the percentage of microorganism remaining versus exposure time after autoclave sterilization, and 80 minus 5t, that is coming from dry heat sterilization. So this should be equal. So 50 minus 2t, 80 minus 70, from that the t equals to come as 3.34 second. Now, if we consider t as a second. So now moving to the next question, which is the percentage of the
Third
microorganism.
question. Excuse me, madam. Third question. What is the answer? Third question.
Okay, so the answer of the third question is no, because as we all know, what is the sterilization as sterility assurance level? What is the definition of the? Anyone can tell me what is the definition of the sterility assurance level?
The maximum sterility attained.
No, the sterility assurance level is the probability that a single unit that has been subjected to sterilization but remain non-sterile. So it's basically uh, it is in real practical application, it is never possible to prove that all the organisms have been destroyed. But as the likelihood of the survival of an individual microorganism is never zero, so it is considered as the probability of the survival. For example, any manufacturing device and any manufacturing authority, they design their sterilization process and such that the SAL or the sterilization assurance level should be as low as 10 to the power minus 6. So that means 1 in 1 billion. So as per this case, the 1100 implants were contaminated. So here we can say these plants are not satisfy the level of sterility assurance level or SAL. So it's clear to all. Now is it clear to all? So ACL is
Yes.
basically 10 to the power minus 6. So means 1 in 1 billion. So now moving to the next question. This one is clear to all, this question.
Yes.
Now moving to the next question. The percentage of microorganism remaining versus exposure time to autoclave sterilization process follows percentage 70 minus T to 2. The percentage of microorganism remaining versus exposure time to dry heat sterilization process follows percentage 80 minus T into 5. So after 6 minutes of sterilization, what will be the difference between the percentage of microorganisms remaining from both the methods? Give the absolute number. Kindly solve this question. Hmm. Okay, so as per the question, in autoclave sterilization process, the percentage of microorganism remaining from the equation we can get after 6 minutes is 70 minus 2 into 6. So in this equation 70 and 2, and instead of in place of t we put the value of 6. So from 70 minus 2 into 6, so it comes as 58. Whereas in the case of dry heat sterilization, the percentage of microorganisms remaining is coming as 80 minus 5 into 6. So 80 as the main value, 5 is also given, and in the place of t we put the value of 6. So from there it is come as 50. So difference between the percentage of microorganisms remaining will be 58 minus 50, that is equals to 8. Okay, so it's clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, so now moving to the next question. The percentage of live bacteria due to the sterilization follows an exponential relation such as percentage live equals to 30 exponential e to the power minus 0.01 T, where T is the temperature in degrees centigrade. What should be the temperature to achieve just less than 5% live bacteria? Okay, so as per the question, suppose we considered A be the percentage of live bacteria. So from there we can get it. The equation A equals to 30 e to the power minus 0.01 t. So if it has to decrease by 5% of the live bacteria, then the temperature changes by 0.95 A equals to 30 e to the power 0.01 T. We consider this one as T1 and this one as T2. So from this two equation set, we got, if we divided two equation set, so then A should be cut out. A and A would be cut, and the equation is come out as e to the power t1 by t2. So from there we can get ln ln of 0.95 equals to t1 by t2. We apply here the, we consider it as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. So by dividing, and we use the operation 2, equation 2 divide by equation 1, and from there we get this formula. So finally it comes as, after getting ln of 0.95, we got around 44.90. So we consider the decrease will be 44.90 degree centigrade. So anyone have any doubt in this question?
How we are taking it as 0.95, ma'am? That I didn't understand.
Okay, so basically and the question it is mentioned is achieve just less than 5%. So just less than 5% live bacteria. So we consider the overall bacteria will be 100. So 5% less means 100 minus 5, 95. 95 in 100. So from here we found 0.95. Clear? Is it clear to all?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So anyone has any doubt further? Okay, so anyone have any doubt in any of the questions? Anyone have any doubt in any of the question?
No.
Okay, and anyone have any other doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's session. When is your exam?
30th.
30th coming Sunday.
Okay. So very all the best for your exams, and I'll upload the today's session and the last session in the YouTube by today itself. You can check, and if you have any doubt, I guess I shared all the, like, whoever asked for requested me to share the PPT and video. I guess I shared it. And if you have any doubt, please reach me through mail, like where you did this. Either you directly put in the Teams link. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you everyone.
Can I get the PPTs in the YouTube itself?
Sorry,
Can I get the PPTs in YouTube itself?
PPT you can check in the YouTube, because in the video itself PPT will be there. So you can check from there itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, one more question I wanted to ask. Actually, I completely belong to bio background, and this subject is compulsory for my PhD credits. So all the formulas and all, it's not that tough, but for me, grabbing it in a short period of time is little difficult. Though I hardly get time to practice and all, because entire I have to work in lab. So, I'm actually, I don't know means what to focus on much for exam, how to prepare. So, can you please help me know, because all the questions seems little difficult for me.
I would suggest you try to solving the question which is given in solving both the problem solving sessions as well as which is given in your assignment question. We will be able to solve majority of the question and try to get the formula which is the numerical which is given into your assignments as well as your like in the doubt solving session. Like majority of the formulas we try to cover it, so try to follow in this portion as well as try to learn the basics which is given in the lecture. So I guess that will be enough.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. So we yes.
Can you share your YouTube link, ma'am?
YouTube link, I guess I shared in the chat box already. You just check once. In the previously I shared, I guess, already. Otherwise, I'll share it in few minutes, because I'll share as soon as I get, like, I have to find out one more time, open it. So I'll open it and share it as soon as I done. One minute, just a minute. Okay, I again shared in the chat box. You can find it from there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone have any doubt?